The heavy rain that hit Curitiba caused severe flooding in several neighborhoods, leaving streets impassable and homes damaged. Some families were stranded as water levels rose quickly, while others faced collapsed walls and ceilings. The storm, accompanied by strong winds and hail, also led to school closures and drivers being trapped on flooded roads. A tornado tore through Montana, in Pretoria North, leaving a trail of destruction across multiple suburbs, damaging vehicles, uprooting trees, and ripping roof sheets from buildings, carports, and other structures.
Oh my word.
Several buildings in one residential complex sustained severe damage, particularly on the upper floors and roof.
Yes, how's it?
Heavy rainfall in northern Chile caused the lower river to overflow in the Antofagasta region, damaging 723 homes in Calama City. The towns of Caspana and Yalcancha experienced disruptions in drinking water and electricity supply, while rising waters affected traffic on some routes.
Queridos familiares y amigos y personas de buen corazón, hoy me dirijo a ustedes con humildad y esperanza.
Days of heavy rain in Botswana have caused widespread flooding, leading to extensive damage to homes and businesses.
Oh my God.
Flash floods have killed 7 people, including 3 children, and displaced thousands, forcing the closure of schools and major roads. In the capital, Gaborone, the overflowing local dam has washed away cars and left properties waterlogged. Heavy rainfall has caused severe flooding in central Madagascar, particularly in Antananarivo, leading to significant damage and displacement. At least 11 people lost their lives, and around 16,000 individuals, or 4,260 families, have been affected. The overflowing Ikupa and Sisoni rivers submerged low-lying areas, with the southern and eastern parts of the capital among the hardest hit. Thousands of homes were flooded, some completely destroyed, and schools in the region have been suspended. Severe weather conditions in Greater Sao Paulo led to intense flooding, causing widespread disruption and leaving at least one person dead. In Sao Paulo, a woman in her 40s lost her life after being trapped in her car during the flooding in Freguesia do O, where the Ribeirão River overflowed. Heavy rains also impacted Baixada Santista, resulting in flooding and structural damage.
Vamos, contigo, caralho.
Heavy rainfall in KwaZulu-Natal led to devastating floods and landslides, leaving at least 9 people dead and causing extensive damage to infrastructure. In just 3 hours, 184 millimeters, or 7.2 inches of rain fell, triggering severe flooding in several parts of Durban, closing roads and displacing residents. Landslides, wall collapses and uprooted trees have complicated rescue operations. Torrential rains caused flooding in 16 sectors of Guayaquil, turning streets into rivers. Waterlogging affected parts of major motorways and some tunnels, causing disruptions. A cold front, moving westward from the Black Sea region, has brought an intense snowstorm to several Turkish cities, including Istanbul. The storm caused a sharp drop in temperature and heavy snowfall, disrupting daily life for at least 4 days. Schools were closed, roads became clogged with stranded vehicles, and Istanbul, blanketed in snow for the first time in years, experienced severe disruptions to air, sea, and land transportation.
Samsun gömülüyor arkadaşlar.